Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to recover delayed photo from Google Photo. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your Google Drive. After which we are going to begin by selecting the various photos that we want to recover. After selecting the photos, you simply click on what? Delete. So guys, we are just selecting the photos. So if you want to recover this photo, you simply need to click on these three horizontal lines. Once you're there, you click on what? Trash. So guys, these are the various images we are just deleting. So we are going to hold them back. After which we click on these three dots. After that, we click on what? Restore. So we'll do the same thing. So guys, we are going to check. So these are the various photos we are just deleting. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.